Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the 5 best ways to organically grow your Instagram audience on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an Instagram account, so we can now go on to the dock, go to Safari, make sure you are signed into the account. And you may be wondering, how has he got this many followers and not followed anybody back? What are the tips and tricks? What can be done? How is this possible? What do we require? What do we need to do to organically grow from, let's say, 0 to 1 million in a specific time for a specific reasoning? Well, before this video, you may have come across another video called, let's just go to Twitter, Organically Grow Your Twitter Fan Base, which was posted to my channel on November 25, 2020. At the time of this recording, the video was not made live. However, if you do watch this after November 25, 2020, the video may have been made live. So now we are asking the question, 5 quick ways to organically grow your Instagram fan base. So the first thing, like always, is you have to pick a specific topic. If you pick 5 topics, it will be very hard to keep in line with that type of revolution. Very hard to concentrate on 5 topics all concurrently. If you're at school, college, university, and you try to work on 5 projects, subjects at the same time, it really does take a long time to learn. However, 1 topic at a time will be the best situation for an Instagram content creator, which is why my channel is Computer Science Videos. As you can tell with what I say at the start of every video, I have to let the audience know this is Computer Science Videos. My channel revolves around tutorials, how-to videos, and education. As we know, there's always a demand for how-to videos. Education will be there forever. We need it every day. We require education to move forward in life. Sometimes people will search online, I need a tutorial that shows me how to use a computer, a mobile phone. They'll go online, search. Your video could be ranked to the top. We will get into all of that in the near future. So pick a topic. Number 1, let's just scroll through my timeline and see what type of content do I really post. I can assure you 95% of my content is all technology. The other content would be memes and other funny stuff, just to let the ones know I also do this. I also make videos, also photo edit. Keep updating your audience with what you do on a regular basis. So number 1, pick a topic. We've been through that. It has to be catchy, flashy. You need a reasoning as to why this is your topic. What can we do across all platforms to grow the audience? We looked at Twitter. Now we're looking at Instagram. In the near future, we will look at other social media platforms to grow the fan base. Pick a topic. My topic, technology. I work for a company as an IT technician, which is why I can continue to make videos every day. Number 2, post every day, post on a regular. We will require a fixed schedule that allows the content creator to upload to Instagram maybe every day or maybe twice a day, and one on scheduled upload, so you then receive a notification on your mobile phone. It's time to post the photo or video to Instagram. With a couple of clicks of buttons, the post is made live. So then, once you're posting every day, the followers will keep coming slow. Then it gets to a time where they'll keep growing exponentially, and then you can go from, let's say, 0 to 1,000, 10,000, a million, 10 million, 50 million with the right techniques. Pick a topic, then you post every day, post on a regular. As you can see that I'm always posting to Twitter. I'm always making YouTube videos. Let's go back to Instagram. Now, if you cannot post every day, you should try to at least post once a week, so then the followers will come one by one. And once they do, let's say you have 1,000 followers, then you can start to post every day, because you know you will receive attention for what you create. Which brings me to my next step, way to organically grow your Instagram fan base. Engage with your audience. If you're very busy and have other stuff to do, please consider bringing in a marketing expert who can engage with your audience on your Instagram page. The more you engage with the people, the more it tells Instagram that you are constantly using the website, so they can then rank your posts to the front page for more exposure, more people to see your content. Once they click, they say, yes, I like, I follow, I comment, share, save, tag my own photos, and then we can see their photos on our page and vice versa. Sometimes you can post, ask a question, receive an answer through a post or maybe through a story. Get the audience to engage with your posts. The more comments you have, the more better it looks. The more likes, the more better it looks. However, you could argue Instagram now hides the likes on specific photos or specific accounts. They've done this with, let's say, 40% of users. Now that is another story for another day. We can look into that as to why that could work or not work. What happened after that was happening, or what is now happening after they did that. Yes. So number one was pick a topic. Number two, post every day, post on a regular. Engage with your audience. Let them know that you care about them. Number four brings me to my next point. Post videos to IGTV, post videos to IG Reels. This is a new feature that was released, let's say, 3 weeks ago. They are now trying to compete with the application TikTok. It's just good business. You can see on my page that I'm always posting videos, 138 views by just people coming across my video. Post to IGTV. Let's click on IGTV. Refresh the page for the moment. And you can see that I'm always trying to post my previous YouTube videos to IGTV. So then the ones who are now following my account can see my previous videos and then say, hey, amazing videos. Let's just go to his channel to see if he has more. And then they come across 900 videos on my channel and may subscribe to my channel, all from Instagram. So this brings me on to my next point. Reels. Couple of videos here and there just to let them know that I am active on IG I post videos on photos, reels, IGTV. Number 1, pick a topic, technology, post every day on a regular. Yes, engage with the audience, of course. Post videos, photos, IGTV videos, IG reels, just to stay in line with the Instagram revolution that has taken place across the 10 years. Number 5, look into search engine optimization. How can we use specific tags, meta tags, to increase traffic, traction, organically grow all to our page? What can we do? Well, number 1, hashtag the right way. Let's go to a post. 8 likes. Okay, computer science videos, access control system, computer science, and then some other tags, generic tags, which I switch up here and there on new posts. Unless it's the same topic, I would copy and paste. However, I do not recommend copy and pasting tags. It's just showing Instagram that you are being very lazy. You need to switch up the tags and let them know that this is a new post, new tags. We're not here to do something we shouldn't, as this can really damage your account and maybe shadow ban your Instagram account for spam, which is not what we're trying to do. If you would like to check, have you been shadow banned? Just click on a hashtag. Can you see your posts? Yes, I can. What does that mean? It's all good. It really is. Go to another photo. Different types of hashtags. Go to another photo. Different types of hashtags. Go to a video. Different hashtags. Let's go to another photo. Couple of hashtags, not to really overdo it. 5, 6, 7, 8 hashtags for this photo. For the latest photo, let's just say about 20 hashtags. Let's switch it up. Change the number of hashtags, keep posting, keep changing, and you should be very good. So just to summarize, 5 quick ways to organically grow your Instagram fan base. Number 1, please pick a topic, stay on point, post every day, post on a regular, that's number 2. Number 3, engage with your audience, stories, videos, ask questions, let them respond. Number 4, post photos, videos, IGTV videos, IG reels. Try get your content across to the front page with the right type of search engine optimization, hashtag the right way, so we can now minimize Word, minimize Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.